What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name's Alan.
I'm Alan. This is my handsome boy, Alan.
Oh, I didn't know it.
We're gonna be going to a place called, what's it called, Alan?
We're going to Eureka Springs.
Well, what the fuck are we gonna be doing over there?
We're just gonna drive around. It's a nice little like scenic area, so we're just gonna enjoy the day. It's a nice little rainy day, cloudy day. Nothing else to do.
We'll get some snacks.
Fuck it.
Yeah, some drinks on the way there. And yeah, I'll see you guys there.
Just one slice, you know. We got 3 slices and he ate
2 slices.
He ate 3, he ate 2 inside.
Breakfast pizza at 3 in the afternoon. Ha!
4.
Yeah.
We're recording right now. Okay.
What's going on, guys?
We're almost to the United States, guys.
United States.
The wolf is about to pick us up. We're 20 minutes out from the pickup destination. 13 bands ahead, not too bad.
Oh shit. You gotta pay 13 bands. Oh shit.
We got 5 minutes to get there.
How much do you pay after you get dropped off?
If you make it, 5.
If you make it. Well, honestly, guys, I have no idea what we're doing today. Yesterday we made plans to go to Eureka, and I got to work, and they were down to go, so might as well. Okay, gonna have a nice little scenic view. I might have to make a little montage on the way there.
We're going to the land of the free.
We're going to fucking Silver Dollar City.
The way this nigga's driving, fuck him. Are you recording still?
Better be careful in this fucking corner. It's still wet.
It's all-wheel drive, bro. These 225s holding up.
Fuck no. Dude, I think it'll launch right here. Oh wait. The launch. Let you know if cars coming. Let you know if cars coming. Alright.
Damn, they almost ran us off the road. Holy shit. Manual mode, manual mode. Okay, guys, we made it to the land of the free. Mire, así se mira Estados Unidos. Qué bonito. Con tus negocios, highway. Yeah, right. You have to go right here.
Right here?
Aquí mero, mire.
Right here?
Yes.
Yes, wait.
Yes.
No, you don't go right here.
Yes, it is telling me go. Yes, go. Guys, you guys want to go on an adventure and y'all tripping about getting lost. Y'all are pussies.
Oh, it's fine.
Y'all are pussies. Come on. Mire. Ya no recogió. Ya no recogió, ¿cómo se dice? El coyote. Ay, güey. Mira esa bajada. Go straight. You have to go straight. I swear to God.
No.
Go slow. No, I swear to God. I swear to God.
Dude, no. Oh my God. Dude, this is not making it. Yeah, we're good.
Dude.
No, I'm putting this.
Nah, I don't know if you. I don't know if you guys can tell. But bro, we're like fucking facing down.
We're facing downwards, bro. Oh my God. We're going down in Minecraft.
Dude, I go right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, Adan.
Downwards, Alan.
No, Adan.
Dude, look at that.
No, that's impossible.
That's crazy. You have to go right. You can't go left. You have to go right. Like, stick to the right. Do like a sharp, like a right turn to the right. Yeah.
That nigga knows me. Holy shit. No. Don't go left. Don't go left. Don't go left.
Go to the right. Slow. This was a
Oh my God.
Alright, now turn into this parking lot to the left.
Oh no, you can go this way.
That's probably what's my use.
Frank the Tank. Yo, what's the best? Yo, you guys.
Wish they might be living in there.
Frank the Tank.
Frank the Tank.
Nigga, we fucking. That's where he's been, nigga.
Oh shit, he's coming on that.
Alright, go right.
Say something.
Hey.
Let me show them that fucking steep ass
Oh, look
hill.
at that hill.
Bro, show them the steep.
Bro, that's crazy.
Slow down on that bitch. Slow down.
This shit is the steepest hill I've ever fucking
Still on
seen.
One Piece.
What the fuck is that car?
Hyundai.
Hyundai. It's like Porsche.
Ahora, ya llegamos.
Watch me not have the app downloaded. Oh, I do.
Ahorita vamos a tomar video del jale que quiere el patrón.
Little spin move. Eddie Brown, spin move.
There you go. As you can see.
Sorry, sprinkle a little bit. What a That's pretty cool. It's pretty loud, huh? Yeah. You can hear that shit.
Damn.
Mire, como pueden ver,
That's tight. It's fire as fuck.
esa mierda está por allá arriba en el cielo. Solo Dios sí se ve.
Dude, we're the natural state. Look at the cross. Like all the whole way. Yeah, it's just nice. You better not hit me with that shit. That was snacky. Short ass nigga. Are you recording? Yeah, I'm recording the GoPro. That's scary.
Oh shit.
Alright, yeah. Let's stop fucking around with that shit.
What happened?
Put it down. Oh!
Explain.
That shit was funny. You should have recorded that part.
It's raining.
You almost smacked me with 3 times. Alright, yeah. Let's stop fucking around with that shit.
What happened?
Put it down. Oh!
Explain.
That shit was funny. You should have recorded that part.
It's raining.
You almost smacked me with 3 times.
Oh, then he almost gave him a haircut.
Watch, I'll stop recording. Watch, look. It lands by itself.
Alright.
Oh, it's pretty fast.
Little spider web. Mire, ay güey, pinche dedo. Beautiful vista. Sé que la lluvia ya está llegando otra vez. So guys, there's two bad females here. There's 2 bad bitches here, and they gave us the like finger bang me eyes. Like, you know those eyes, like the eyes like come finger bang me. Anyway, aquí no.
I don't think so. I don't know if I've been anywhere. Or like,
Ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful evening in Eureka Springs, Arkansas, featuring Azan Rodriguez, Alan Vasquez, and yours truly. Come along, take a seat, enjoy some warm hot chocolate, and enjoy this peaceful music. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here Pussy Wagon.
You sit in the back, Alan?
No!
Open it, Alan. Yo, no, see this man can't give a deal for shit.
Stop! What are you doing? I
wasn't the deal you
said if
said.
I got shotgun, I'll let you hit my neck.
But I didn't. I said no.
But I made it a yes. Mira, saludos.
I don't even fit behind you.
Go the other way then.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Oh my! I was breathing and be like, I couldn't even breathe.
Oh, I literally had shotgun for 5 minutes. This big ass nigga.
Yeah, that bitch was quiet as fuck.